new Range Rover Sport. Modernity and refinement meet visceral desire with dramatic proportions. Short overhangs, an unmistakable profile, and 23-inch alloy wheels. The reductive design accentuates the vehicle's taut body surfaces. And design-enabling technologies, such as flush glazing and a laser-welded roof, enhance the clean lines and aerodynamic performance. The stealth-like headlights and grille convey confidence and attitude. And the continuous, uninterrupted taillight graphic defines the vehicle's width. The assertive presence is further accentuated by the dynamic model. And if you choose the black pack, the bonnet and side vents take a gloss black form. Sophisticated and dynamic, Range Rover Sport's cockpit-like driving position sets the tone for a focused, modernist interior. The cosseting center console sweeps up to the large, floating, curved glass touchscreen, leading to a commanding view over the refined horizontal fascia. The full HD touchscreen with haptic controls features our latest generation intuitive Pivi Pro infotainment system. Sculpted seating provides exceptional comfort and stability, while the rear central console provides climate control, ventilation, connectivity, and power outlets. Expansive glazing floods the interior with natural light. Integrated speakers on the rear doors work through our new textile speaker system, while the front speakers feature moonlight chrome detailing. Ultra Fabrics material offers a non-leather, more sustainable contemporary tactile finish. A choice of grained Windsor and soft semi-aniline leathers are also available. For those who specify the dynamic model, unique design elements are added, including duotone interior colorways and further moonlight chrome signature details. Convenience, quality, and ease of use are central to our concept of modern luxury. So there is a host of technologies available, including flush deployable door handles with proximity sensing, soft door close, approach unlock, and walkaway lock. Range Rover Sport's luggage capacity has more usable space than before, while a load space floor partition brings new levels of functionality. The new Range Rover Sport, dynamic but refined, the definition of sporting luxury. The new Range Rover Sport combines its dynamic personality with the peerless refinement you expect. The cabin's interior air quality is cleaner than ever thanks to the Cabin Air Purification Pro system, our low-polluting material choices and meticulous attention to detail in all aspects of our vehicle's body sealing. The system enhances well-being and alertness by monitoring and controlling CO2 and cabin air quality. Its PM 2.5 filtration and Nano-X technology significantly reduces odors, bacteria, and allergens, including the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Nano-X ionization condenses moisture from cabin air, breaking it into tiny electrically charged water molecules that react with airborne contaminants. A second Nano-X device for rear passengers ensures its effectiveness for all occupants. The system can be operated remotely to deep clean the cabin before a journey. The option of the powerful Meridian signature sound system delivers high-fidelity music playback using up to 29 speakers, including a subwoofer and 1,430 watts of amplifier power to create a personal sound environment for each of the 4 main cabin occupants. This results in one of the finest automotive audio experiences. Acoustic laminated glass and next-generation active noise cancellation technology filters out unwanted noise, leaving you to focus on enjoying the journey. It can bring desirable engine sounds to the fore using a network of advanced audio technologies. Microphones inside each wheel arch detect structural and airborne noise, and digital processors calculate the sound required to cancel these unwanted frequencies from the cabin, using the interior speakers and headrest speakers for the 4 main seating positions. Much like a set of noise-cancelling headphones, you hear what you want to hear. In Range Rover Sport, you'll always find your perfect seating position with 22-way adjustable, heated and ventilated electric memory front seats with a massage function and winged headrests. Heated and ventilated rear seats with power recline and winged headrests provide a combination of elevated support during dynamic driving and comfort for passengers on long journeys. Set the mood you want to set. The premium cabin lighting automatically switches to a purposeful red when you select dynamic driving mode. You can also tailor the lighting to any mood with a choice of 30 colors and 4 intensities of light. The new Range Rover Sport is more technologically advanced than ever. Digital LED headlights with signature daytime running lights provide brilliant visibility with a range of up to 500 meters. Each headlight uses 1.3 million digital micro-mirror devices to precisely tailor the beam pattern, masking up to 16 individual objects to optimize illumination and minimize the risk of dazzling other road users. Adaptive front lighting uses navigation data to preemptively follow the road ahead for greater visibility, optimizing the driving experience in all conditions. Our latest PIVI Pro infotainment system features a floating curved glass Full HD 13.1-inch touchscreen with haptic controls. 90% of tasks can be accessed in 2 taps from the home screen. It's faster, more intuitive, and smarter than ever. The cloud-based setup is always on, always connected, and with software over the air, always up to date. An embedded SIM supports the seamless connectivity provided by the online pack and Wi-Fi hotspot with data plan, providing full access to embedded apps even without your mobile phone. This works in harmony with a 13.7-inch interactive driver display with new HD graphics and full-color head-up display. The new Range Rover Sport with Amazon Alexa helps you make even more of your world.
Alexa, navigate me to home.
Getting directions.
Use Alexa to control your navigation and music, including Spotify, naturally and intuitively with your voice. It's built into our PIVI Pro infotainment system, so it's fast, responsive, and easy to use. You can also make calls, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, check the weather, and even control compatible smart home features.
Alexa, open the garage door.
Opening the garage door.
You can even interact with your vehicle remotely using the Land Rover remote skill on any Alexa-enabled device or in the Alexa app. Land Rover's ClearSight ground view and ClearSight interior rear view further increase visibility all around you. Low-speed maneuvering lights illuminate the ground to guide you into tight spots in dim light conditions when using the 3D surround camera. Wireless Apple CarPlay delivers effortless iPhone connectivity. Wireless device charging with phone signal booster keeps you fully charged and in touch. You can also connect with wireless Android Auto. Remote Park Assist allows you to maneuver into and out of tight spaces using your smartphone from outside your vehicle. Parking has never been so easy. The new Range Rover Sport is defined by powerful electric performance. The 510 PS extended range electric hybrid has a total real-world range of up to 740 kilometers, 460 miles, and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds, or 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, combining efficiency with thrilling performance. Most journeys can be taken using purely electric power. It has a WLTP electric range of up to 113 kilometers or 70 miles, an expected real-world electric range of up to 88 kilometers or 54 miles, and overall CO2 emissions from 18 grams per kilometer. Range Rover Sport can charge from 0 to 80% in under an hour away from home, using a 50 kilowatt DC charger. At home, you can charge 0 to 100% in around 5 hours, using a 7 kilowatt AC charger. In addition, a choice of efficiency-enhancing 48-volt mild hybrid MHEV 6-cylinder Ingenium engines are available. The new 530 PS 4.4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine delivers 750 Newton-meters of torque and a characterful V8 soundtrack. It powers this performance SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds, or 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds with dynamic launch engaged. Bring your drive into even sharper focus with the optional Stormer handling pack. It combines a suite of the latest chassis features, including all-wheel steering, an electronic active differential with torque vectoring by braking, configurable programs, and Dynamic Response Pro. All-wheel steering turns the rear wheels by up to 7.3 degrees. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn in the opposite direction to the front wheels, reducing the turning circle to less than 11 meters, comparable to a compact family hatchback. This ensures easy progress around obstacles and makes the vehicle easy to park and more maneuverable in cities. At high speeds, it delivers enhanced stability by turning in the same direction as the front wheels. Dynamic Response Pro reduces body roll by seamlessly managing torque across front and rear axles. In Range Rover Sport, its higher, faster torque application means flatter cornering and greater stability at speed. Cornering agility is supported by torque vectoring by braking, which automatically brakes inside wheels into a corner, assisting turn-in. New dynamic air suspension is standard and delivers a greater performance bandwidth. Twin air chambers in the suspension seamlessly open and close to allow more comfort in relaxed driving, but a greater firmness to manage pitch and roll in faster cornering and under hard acceleration. Adaptive dynamics is fitted to every new Range Rover Sport, with twin-valve monotube dampers continually managing the connection to the road. Dynamic mode provides a step change in engine, gearshift, steering, and suspension settings to deliver a more assertive driving character. When using configurable dynamics, you can choose between the comfort and dynamic settings for 4 systems: engine, steering, gearshift, and suspension, so you can set up the vehicle exactly how you want. Integrated chassis control is the dynamic brain of Range Rover Sport. A single control system processing all inputs and orchestrating the vehicle's chassis technologies for optimum dynamic response. It also provides preemptive dynamics that mean the vehicle is designed to be aware of its surroundings and ready for the road ahead. Terrain Response 2 is fitted as standard and intelligently detects and applies the most appropriate vehicle settings for the conditions, ensuring customary Land Rover capability. Intelligent all-wheel drive delivers precisely the right torque to individual wheels as you need it, continuously adapting to the terrain and available traction. Adaptive damping and all-wheel steering responses improve ride quality and comfort on all terrains. Range Rover Sport takes the stress out of all-terrain driving with the world's first adaptive off-road cruise control. It takes the concept of all-terrain progress control to another level by sensing the terrain and fine-tuning the speed for optimum traction and control, minimizing your workload behind the wheel. It even allows you to set and maintain the desired comfort level. The new Range Rover Sport. Performance that can take you anywhere.